Hi everyone, I'm Lily. I'm 8. Today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is The Magic Train. The little train looked like any other toy train, but there was something very special about it. This train was magic and could travel anywhere. Every night, it was the magic train's job to gather up the forgotten toys that were left by little girls and boys. He would load the toys up and bring them to the children. Tonight, the magic train was in a big hurry. Little Tommy was sick and he needed a special load of toys to cheer them up. Choo, choo, choo! I'm coming through, sang the magic train. The magic train slipped down under a big chair and found a dusty baby doll. The magic train chugged into the hall closet and picked up a lonely line that had been lost for many days. Out the closet and down the stair dashed the magic train. Choo, choo, choo! I'm coming through, he sang. Come aboard, called the magic train as he dashed under the dining room table and found a tiny toy drum. Then the magic train darted through the little trap door the dog used to go in and out. He knew the porch was a perfect place to find forgotten toys. Behind the rocking chair was a big trailer truck that hadn't moved. It wheels in weeks. Hop aboard, called the magic train. We've got important work to do. Chug, 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 toot, toot. Under the bushes pushed the magic train. He knew the garden was a good place to find lost toys. Look at this, said the magic train. 3 little ponies in a row. Let's go. Don't forget me, cried a little faded teddy bear. Oh, you poor thing, said the magic train. Climb in. Quickly, said a little bear over there. And he pointed to the side of a big tree. Sure enough, 3 soldiers. 3 tiny soldiers had begun to rust. Come with us, cried all the toys. Little Tommy is sick and we're going to cheer him up. The magic train chugged through the grass where he found a small captive turtle. And old Sparkus, get into the train, to the magic train, as he raced under the porch. There he found a wonderful little castle and a rag doll that had lost one of its eyes. Hurry! It's getting late, said the magic train and sped along the garden path to the front of the house. They jumped down from the train and lifted to the board. Time to go, said the magic train. And as they traveled up the porch stairs and back into the house, all the toys were happy to be together again. They screamed and giggled all the way to Tommy's room. The magic train stopped at the foot of Tommy's bed. The baby doll blinked. The lion roared. The drum rolled. The trailer trunk hummed. The ponies kicked. The teddy bear danced. The soldier saluted. The turtle looked through the spyglass. The ragdoll flopped. The castle lets down its drawbridge. Tommy! Remember us, Tommy? They all called as they scrambled onto his bed. Tommy looked at his old lost friend. Of course I do. How did you get here? The magic train brought us, they shouted together. But the magic train was nowhere to be seen. He was on his way to help some other garden boy. Choo-choo! I'm coming through! I'm coming through for you, he sang. The end. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.